you guys what exactly a clip-off steering look like and how it works. See this part here? Friggo, you know this? That is your BOSSKIT. Nah? That is a BOSSKIT. That goes over the spline of the standard shaft, the standard spline of the City Golf. Nah? And on the BOSSKIT, this here part is a two-piece. That's a clip-off. There's one part of the clip-off and the other part of the clip-off. This screws onto your BOSSKIT, and that screws onto your steering. Can you just check the steering over there? There you go. And then release in the middle rather than the side. It works with bearing. So just clip it on quickly. Clip it off again. There you go. So you can't use a clip off on your standard spline. You need a BOSSKIT, nah? So it's a 1, 2, 3, 4 piece. Nah? Shots out Friggo, nah? Thanks, bro.